my friends, and welcome. Katie here with Eastwick's Paper and Ink. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today is going to be a quick video. It is simply to announce the winner of the Christmas in July video hop. And as I mentioned in that video, I created a couple gift tags. I used the glimmer plate especially for you, and then just stamped the snowflake background with that silver delicata ink. And I did leave the back open so that you can send these in and add these to some gifts this year. Or if you're planning to give these away to someone, you have a couple gift tags. Now you can see that there's 2 boxes here, and that is because each box would only hold 6 envelopes and 6 cards. So I had to divide them up into 2 boxes. And so you're going to get a total of 12 cards. And with that being said, let's get on to the winner. The winner is Jeannie Colson. Jeannie, I hope I'm saying your name correctly, and I need you to send me an email at eastwickspaperandink@gmail.com and provide me with your info so that I can mail out your gift. Now, because I know not everyone is on social media 24/7, I will give 1 week to hear from you. So I need to hear from you by July 29th. If I've not heard from you, I'm going to have to choose another winner. Also, winners are going to be listed over at Monica Taylor's blog. That information will be listed in the description box below as well as my email, Jeannie, so that you can just click that drop-down box and shoot me an email with your information by July 29th. And I do want to thank all of you for participating and subscribing in this hop. I really appreciate each and every one of you. It really means a lot to me that you take the time to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. So I really, really thank you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, now's a great time to do it. You can see, one of the giveaways, I make cards and I give them away. So, and as my channel gets larger, we'll be able to do more things. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and select all notifications to be notified each time I upload a video. And I do have some new videos that are going to be coming out in the next week or 2, and so stay tuned for that. And that's going to wrap it up for me today, guys. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.